when someone's pregnant, right, she'll need all the space she can get, and she'll need all the sleep she can get. Also, I'm a snorer, so the thing is, if I snore and then she cannot sleep, and then she gets grumpy at the night, and then everything else just snowballs in the day. First snore, she will wake me up snoring, or what I chose to do was to get a mattress and to sleep outside. Just like wake up in the morning like with backaches, or like feeling like extra sleepy and things like that. So stressful time. So I have friends, or I have a friend who passed me one, and I, for the first time, slept like a pig. I swear, I've never slept so hard in my life. Also, it made me sleep really well. If I didn't have a son, I'd probably take it every day, because it really helps. Like having a good night's sleep